Please check audio video is okay or not. Please check audio video is okay or not. Right. So today's topic, if you see, foundation class of compiler design. Foundation class on compiler design. Foundation class on compiler design. Right. So let's see what is this actually. Right. Let me explain this. Today's class is foundation class on compiler design. Right. So this class is basic class to understand the compiler design, which is going to be happen from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards compiler design starting. See this one. Tomorrow first chapter will start. First chapter of compiler design will start from tomorrow 6 a.m. First chapter of compiler design from tomorrow 6 a.m. onwards. For that these are the foundation classes. Today I will take foundation class for the classes which are going to be happen, right? First chapter from tomorrow 6 a.m. for that purpose. Right, let's see right, one by one. So before going to the foundation class of compiler design, before going, let me say something about Unacademy. Right. So the first thing is about Unacademy. Right. The first thing about the Unacademy, see this one. If you are serious about GATE exam, examination, right, and if you want to take the help of the Unacademy experts, my suggestion is please join Unacademy. If you are serious about GATE examination and if you want to take Unacademy experts help, please join Unacademy as soon as possible, because right, we Unacademy experts helped many students. Last year if you see top 10 of CSC, right, 4 ranks we got, including first rank. Top 10 we got 4 ranks, that is the first rank, third rank, fourth rank, 8th rank. And top 100 we got approximately 50 ranks. So Unacademy experts will help you to get the better rank, right? So let us assume that you have already that much ability. If you take the help of the Unacademy experts, definitely your rank will be better. Suppose assume that without Unacademy you will get 500 rank, assume. With Unacademy you will get the rank 50. Suppose assume that without Unacademy you will get 50, right? With Unacademy you will get 5. So what I want to say is Unacademy experts will help you to reach your destination, right? We will help you because most of the Unacademy experts, if you see, they studied from IITs and all. Myself I studied from IIT Bombay in computer science department. I have 13 years of experience. Like that, most of the faculty having that kind of behavior, that kind of qualification, definitely they will help you, right, in achieving your goal. and one great offer also going on, that is right, 20% off on all subscriptions, 20% off on all subscriptions. See this one, plus course and iconic course. Plus course, if you take 12 months, right, you actually have to pay this much, but after 20% off you have to pay only 28,000 plus. Iconic, actually you have to pay this much, right, after 20% off you have to pay only this much. This is for 12 months. Same way for 24 months also. Use the referral code ReddySir. Use the referral code ReddySir to get 20% off on all subscription. My suggestion, please join as soon as possible, otherwise you will be losing side. Right, this is the thing I want to say from Unacademy. No, I don't want to join, it's up to you. Right, if you are serious, please join as soon as possible. Definitely we will help you, right, to achieve your goal. Definitely we will help you. 20% off. And one more, see this one. The best study material is here. So free physical notes for GATE Iconic 1 year and above subscription. If you take Iconic subscription 1 year or more than 1 year, you will get the free physical notes. You will get the physical notes also, we will courier you. Mostly that material, Unacademy live classes or Unacademy recorded classes, right? Those classes followed by these physical notes, more than enough. This notes is made by Unacademy top educators. Comprehensive syllabus coverage, solved examples to build problem solving skills, available for, right, electrical, electronics, mechanical, CE, right, and computer science. So this is made by, right, and one more, plus and iconic, what are the differences, right? Some differences are given, please take care. If you have iconic, you will get more advantages. And one more, see, as I mentioned to you, in 2022 GATE exam, we got first rank, we got fourth rank, we got third rank, we got eighth rank, right? We got eighth rank. So like that approximately top 100, if you see 50 ranks we have 50 ranks. So trust me, Unacademy is the correct place if you want to get the good GATE rank. Unacademy is the best place. If you want to get the good GATE rank. Right, fine. Next one. See this one. So on 27th April, one new batch starting Lakshya. On 27th April. In that batch I am teaching algorithm, data structure, compiler design, theory of computation, and programming. In that batch I am teaching 5 subjects. You will get the full scoring if you attend all my classes. You will get the full scoring. This is my referral code. You will get the 20% discount. Use it and join this batch. Otherwise you will be losing side, please. Next one, you can join in Pragati batch also. Right, use the referral code ReddySir. Next one, right? So Unacademy test series also there. Unacademy live test series. 5,000 quality questions are there. Unacademy test series, 5,000 quality questions. These questions made, right, subject wise also, topic wise also, and total syllabus wise also. It is the best one, right? Unacademy classes followed by this, right? Unacademy classes followed by right, this test series. If you can attend, definitely you will be in the plus point. Next one, Next one, see this one, next one. What are the differences? Some people are asking, what are the differences between plus and iconic? Some students are asking me, what are the differences between plus and iconic? Differences between plus and iconic, right? If you go for plus, right? So in both the cases, top educators will teach, in that no doubt. Doubt clearing using raise a hand option while class is going on, special class also, right? Both will get, right? Study notes, both people will get. Notebook for features, both people will get. Test series, both will get, right? Hard copy only for iconic. Live mentorship only for iconic. Strategy and study program only for iconic people. Personalized doubt clearing only for iconic. Live audio interactions during open house, right? Only for iconic. So iconic people are having many advantages. If possible, go for iconic. If you want to go for only plus, then you can go for plus also. If you take iconic, you will get more advantages, right? Next one. So benefits of live mentorship: connect and avail one-to-one with your mentor. Pre-book slots for your convenience to connect with your mentors live over audio call. Solve doubts, discuss exam strategy and more. Get personalized guidance, feedback and help in creating a study plan. The option to book your session in a language of your preference. So many, this is the advantage with that. Next one. Unacademy subscription. Plus you can take, iconic you can take. If you take plus, right, for 12 months, you have to pay this much. But remember, use this referral code ReddySir to get 20% discount. 20%. In the iconic, for 12 months you have to pay 62,000 plus. If you use the referral code ReddySir, you will get 20% off. You can go for right 24 months also you can go, right? It is up to you, take whatever way you like, but important thing is join as soon as possible. Select whatever you want, right? But join as soon as possible. The advantage with the right, special class features are going to be, right? You have the free special class. Special classes are free, everyone know. If anyone don't know special classes, right, please attend the special class. Advantage is, right, it's a live class, right? Live class, you can clarify your doubts directly. Respond to polls are also there, right? When class is going on, teacher will conduct polls. And talk to educator. So using raise a hand option, you can talk with the educator, right? Next one. Before the class, they will send the notification. You will never miss a class, right? Next one. After class is over, you can download the notes. And one more, you can attend the class anywhere, anytime. These are the advantages. Now let's go to foundation class on compiler design. Let's go to foundation class. Foundation class on compiler design. Foundation class on compiler design. So what it is, let me see. So if you want to understand the compiler design, some basics of automata needed. If you want to attend the compiler design, some basics of theory of computation needed. So what are those? Let's see. What are the basics needed to understand compiler design? Some basics of TOC is needed. What are those? First one is going to be how many automatas. First one which is needed is how many automatas. Next one is going to be what are the advantages. How many automatas and what are the advantages. So that is the first thing what we have to know, right? Let's see now. So this is the first thing. If you want to attend compiler design classes which are going to be happen tomorrow first class will start. Tomorrow first chapter will start. Not first class, some basics are over. right? So tomorrow first chapter will start. How many automatas are there, right? The basic thing which you needed is how many automatas are there, what are the advantages, right? I will give the answer. How many automatas are there, what are the advantages? What are the advantages? Let's see. I think 4 types of automatas are there. 4 types. Automatas are 4 types. Automatas are 4 types. Automatas are 4 types. Those are automatas are 4 types. Those are first one, right? Finite automata. Second one PDA. Third one, first one is finite automata, second one is PDA. Third one is going to be LBA. Fourth one is going to be Turing machines. So how many automatas are there? There are 4 types of automatas. Finite automata, PDA, LBA, Turing machine. Totally 4 automatas are there, right? 4 types of automatas: finite automata, PDA, LBA, Turing machine. Totally 4 types are there, right? Next one, right? Let me write little bit. So finite automata is 1 automata, PDA is 1 more, LBA is 1 more, Turing machine is 1 more. Totally 4 automatas are there. So this finite automata will accept language is known as regular language. Finite automata will accept language known as regular language. PDA will accept language known as context free language. Next one, LBA will accept language is known as linear bounded automata. LBA language is known as context sensitive language. Turing machine language is known as recursive enumerable language. Right? Automatas are 4 types: finite automata, PDA, LBA, Turing machine. Finite automata language is known as regular language. PDA language is known as context free language. LBA language is known as context sensitive language. Turing machine language is known as recursive enumerable language. There are 4 types of languages. These are finite automata, PDA, LBA, Turing machine. Totally 4 types. No, right? Only see foundation class. See this, see the topic, foundation class and compiler design, right? Only 1 or 2 foundation classes are there. Tomorrow onwards first chapter of compiler design starting, right? In plus course, Unacademy plus we are starting compiler design, right? Compiler design first chapter we are starting. For that this is the foundation class, right? This is the only foundation class. Tomorrow onwards first chapter going to start. Please careful. How many automatas are there? What are the advantages? 4 types of automatas are there: finite automata, PDA, LBA, Turing machine. What are the advantages? Finite automata will accept regular languages. PDA will accept context free languages. LBA will accept context sensitive language. Turing machine will accept recursive enumerable language. Totally 4 types of languages are there, right? Please careful. And I think I shown in the form of a circle also what is the relation between them. What is the relation? Let's see what is the relation. The expressive power of finite automata is less than the expressive power of PDA. The PDA expressive power is less than expressive power of LBA. Expressive power of LBA less than expressive power of Turing machine. When you say expressive power, the meaning is the number of language accepted. So finite automata will accept, right? Finite automata will accept only regular languages. But if you see the PDA will accept regular language, and one more thing is CFL also. And LBA will accept regular language and CFL and CSL. Right? Turing machine will accept regular languages, CFL and CSL, one more, recursive enumerable language. That is the reason expressive power of finite automata. Expressive power means number of languages accepted. Finite automata will accept one language regular. PDA will accept two languages regular CFL. LBA will accept three languages regular CFL CSL. Turing machine will accept four languages regular CFL CSL and recursive enumerable. So Turing machine having more expressive power, finite automata having less expressive power. Right? So some people are asking, sir, why these many automatas? Right? If at all, if you have only one automata, finite automata, expressive power is less. So we have four types of automatas. Right? Extreme one is Turing machine. Right? Minimal one is finite automata. Remaining things are intermediate. So if anyone having any doubt till now, please let me know. How many automatas? What is the advantage? Four types of automatas, right? The advantage is going to be, right, Turing machine having more expressive power, finite automata having less expressive power. Let's go one example. Let's see one example. See everyone, language L is equal to a power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Language L is equal to a power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. This is the language. If you see this language, in this language 1a will accept, 2a's will accept, 3a's will accept, right? 4a's will accept, and so on. Right? If you see this language L is equal to a power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1, 1a, 2a, 3a, 4a's are accepted. So to this one, let me construct automata to this one. So minimal is 1a. This language will accept minimal 1a. Let's see. On S1 state, right, minimal 1a, I will go to S2, which is final. Remember, circle indication that state. Remember, circle indicates that state. Double circle indicate final state. And initial arrow indicates start state. Initial arrow indicates start state. Double circle indicate final state. So in this automata, whatever I constructed, two states are there. In this automata, whatever I constructed, two states are there. Two states, S1, S2. Two states are there, S1, S2. S1 is initial, S2 is final. Can you help me? On S1 state, by reading A, I went to the S2, right, which is final, means A accepted. On starting state, by reading A, I can go to S2 state, which is final, means at the end of the single A, I am in the final state. Indication that single A is accepted. Indication that single A is accepted. Single A, as per the language, right, double A also should be accepted. Single A followed by one more A, right, double A also accepted. Single A followed by 2 times A means triple A accepted, because this loop can repeat any number of times. Single A followed by 3 A's, this loop can be repeated any number of times. So this is the finite automata to accept the given language L. This is the finite automata to accept the given language L. Check properly. This is the automata to accept the given language L. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Right, so it's, I think, right, someone is asking from where you will work. From house only. From house only I will teach. From house only I will teach. Thank you so much for asking. So, right, so careful, this language I constructed finite automata because, right, finite states are there. Why it is called finite automata? Finite states are there. The reason it is called finite automata is it is having finite states. Only 2 states are there. That is the reason. So for the given language L, I constructed finite automata. This is the thing. Right? Let's go to next one. Let's go to next one. Second language L is equal to right, a power m b power n where m comma n greater than or equal to 1. A power m b power n where m comma n greater than or equal to 1. Right? What is the meaning? Let's see here. In this language, if you observe clearly, A B possible, double A single B possible, single A double B possible, double A double B possible, triple A single B possible, next one single A triple B possible, like that going on. So to this one, minimal string is A B, next one is single A, right, double A single B or single A double B. So A's and B's, A's will come first, B's will come next, but A's and B's no relation. What is the meaning? Any number of A's can come, any number of B's can come. The only condition here is first A's should come, afterwards B's. How many A's will come? Any. How many B's will come? Any. So between A's and B's, other than order, no relation. Between A's and B's, other than order, means A's should come first, afterwards B's. Other than that, no other relation. 10 A's came, how many B's? Anything can happen. Next one, 1 A came, B's, anything can happen. So number of A's and number of B's, no relation. But the only relation is A's should come first, afterwards B's. Right? Let's see once. On S1 state, careful. Minimum is 1 A required, S2. On S2 state, right, B came. I will go to S3, which is final. Minimal thing I completed. First complete minimal. From starting state, first complete minimal. From starting state, complete minimal. On S1 state, minimal string is single, right? Minimal string is AB. On S1 state, A came, S2. S2 state, B came, S3. S1 state, A came, S2. S2 state, B came, S3. So AB accepted. Next one, single A followed by single B. I will go to final. Single A followed by any number of A's. Single B followed by any number of B's. Single A followed by any number of A's, single B followed by any number of B's. Single A followed by any number of A's, single B followed by any number of B's. If you want, you can check. It will accept every string. If you want, you can check. It will accept every string. Right? Single A followed by single B, 2 A's followed by single B, single A followed by double B, double A followed by double B. So all are accepted. Check. All are accepted. So this is the right. This is also finite automata because finite states are there. This is also finite automata. Right? Finite states are there. This is also finite automata. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Check anyone having any doubt. Please check if anyone having doubt. Any doubt? Any doubt there? Let me know. Right. Fine. If you are okay with this, let's go to next one. And next language, L is equal to A power n, B power n, where n greater than or equal to 1. L is equal to A power n, B power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n, B power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Right? So let's see what is this. I think if you see this language, right, only A is not allowed, only B is not allowed, compulsory AB, next one double A, double B, next one triple A, triple B, so like that all are there. So here not only A's and B's, A's will come first, B's will come next to, right? If 3 A's comes, 3 B's should come. If 10 A's will come, 10 B's should come. So number of A's and number of B's, there is a relation. Number of A's and number of B's, there is a relation. Means how many A's happened, you have to remember. How many B's happened, you have to remember. Afterwards, you have to compare both of them. How many A's happened, you have to remember. How many B's happened, you have to remember. So remember that you have to compare means you have to remember. You want to compare means you have to remember, because comparison always will participate more than one person. Only one person you cannot compare. In the comparison, always more than one person will participate. So when you say more than one, after first one over, then second one will come. Until second one will come, first one you cannot compare. So first one you have to store somewhere. So in the finite automata, right, first one remembering not possible. First one how many times happened, it is not possible. In the loop anything can happen, but here not anything. We should know exactly how many people will came. Suppose if I keep loop, right, anything I can remember, but I don't want anything. I want 10 A's means 10 B's, 20 A's means 20 B's. I should know how many times A's happened. Accordingly I can calculate B. So what I want to say is, to this language, finite automata alone cannot do that. Finite automata plus one stack is required. Finite automata plus one stack is required. Then only you can solve this problem. Only finite automata you cannot solve. Finite automata plus one stack is required. Finite automata plus one stack is required. Without finite automata, only finite automata you cannot. Only stack also you cannot. Finite automata plus one stack is required. Finite automata plus one stack is required. So I will try to do roughly I will try to do, right, PDA for this, right? Some people are asking, sir, finite automata plus one stack is required, then only you can solve. Then what is the name of this diagram? That is called PDA. Finite automata plus one stack is known as PDA. Finite automata plus one stack, right? Instead of saying that big line every time, we can say PDA. I will write roughly what is the PDA. Finite automata is also there, stack also there. Finite automata and stack both combinedly called PDA. Right? Let's see rough diagram before going to the actual answer. Triple A, triple B. Very simple. So finite automata there inside, stack also. Major portion is stack. What is that one? A is coming, push. Every A push. A's are coming, push. Right? For every B, pop A. Now see this one. B's are over. Some marker. Means when you saw the dollar symbol, okay, B's over. Right? Here also in the stack also one marker dollar. Indication that dollar. In the stack dollar came means A's over. In the input string dollar came means B's over. So for every B, A cancel, means that indication that number of A's is equal to number of B's. That is the indication. So in the input dollar came means B's over. In the stack dollar came, so A's over. So number of A's equal to number of B's. What is the logic here? A coming push, B coming pop. Lastly dollar will come. A coming push, B coming pop. Lastly dollar will come. Right? Please take care. So this one, right? This is, I think it looks like stack only. To this one, right? Finite automata also there simultaneously. That is called PDA. I will write roughly. You may not get it, right? But roughly I will write. Don't worry that much about this. On S1, right? See this one. On S1, everyone listen. On S1, A is came, top of the stack is dollar. What you do is dollar A and dollar keep A. This is called push. On S1 state, A is came, top of the stack is dollar. So on dollar keep A. This is called push. Now top of the stack is A. A coming top of the stack A, continuously push. Push means after the line, two symbols will come. Push means after this arrow line, two symbols will come. Right? So like that all A's will be pushed in the stack. Now see what happened. B is coming, top of the stack is A, pop. Go to S3. So B coming, top of the stack is A, pop. So one B pop, any number of B's also pop. Right? Continue. At some point of time, what happened is, what happened? Dollar is coming top of the stack. Sorry, next input symbol is dollar is coming. Top of the stack also dollar is coming. Then what you do is keep as it is, go to S4 state, which is final. This is right. This is going to be accepted. It is a starting state. Right? So input string is dollar coming, top of the stack also dollar. Input string dollar coming means B is over. Top of the stack is dollar means A is over. So I think B's and A's both are over. Number of A's equal to number of B's. So what I want to say is this problem cannot be solved using only finite automata. This will be solved using finite automata and stack, combinedly called PDA. That is the reason many types of automatas are needed. Only finite automata you can solve only regular. Right? If at all more than regular, you cannot solve using finite automata. PDA required. A power n, B power n example is A power n, B power n example is finite automata not possible, PDA required. It is a PDA. It may be difficult to you. It may be difficult roughly. In automata anyhow you will see. So many classes are there on this. I think 5 classes on 2D, right? 5 classes on PDA construction, 10 classes on DFA construction, right? And one more thing, 5 classes on Turing machine construction, right? Just in 1 hour I am covering all automatas. You may not get that much clarity. If you can get little bit, that is okay. So let's see what the comments you people are writing. If any doubt is there, if it is possible, I will help you. Yeah, it's a DCFL, true. It is a DCFL. Check anyone having any doubts. Right, let's go to next. See the another language. L is equal to see the another language. L is equal to W C W power R, where W belongs to A plus B, right? Whole star or whole plus whatever it is. Whole star or whole plus whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Let me write whole plus only. L is equal to W C W power R. It is going to be set of all right, set of all odd length palindrome. Set of all odd length palindromes. This is the language for set of all odd length palindromes. I think very simple. If you take W as ABB, right, C, right, W power R is BBA. If you take W as ABB, right, W power R is BBA. I think if you see from this side also it looks same. So it is a palindrome. And W is 3 length. W power R also 3 length, 3 plus 3 is 6 length, right, plus 1, total 7 length, see odd length K. So it is a set of all odd length palindrome. W3, W power R is 3, so I think 2 into 3 means even will come, plus 1 is there. Anything which can be written 2 into x plus 1 is nothing but odd. So it is a set of all odd length palindrome. What is the palindrome? Both the side it looks similar. Both the side it looks similar, right? And one more thing, it is a palindrome in the form of WC W power R, right? Palindrome means both the side look like same. Another way of saying is, right? So another way of saying is, see this one, both the side look similar. Another way of saying is, see this one, these two are similar, these two are similar, these two are similar. Means another way of saying is, first symbol, last symbol same. Another way of saying is, in the W first symbol, in the W last symbol, in the W power R first symbol same. This is another way of saying. First symbol, last symbol same. Another way of saying is, in the W last symbol, W power R first symbol same, right? It will continue further. It will continue further. So you can say same logic two times, two ways. You can say same logic two ways. One way, first symbol, last symbol same. Another way of saying, in the W last symbol, W power R first symbol same. In the W last symbol, W power R next symbol same. So like that. If you continue, which is equal to first last same, first last same, first last same. Another way, W last, W power R first same, right, like that. So this is the logic. This is the logic. You can call it as whatever way you want. This is the logic. So to this one, remember, to this one, right, to this one, PDA possible. PDA possible means Turing machine possible. LBA possible. But remember, right, finite automata not possible. To this one, finite automata is not possible. To this one, finite automata is not possible. Please careful. PDA possible, Turing machine possible, LBA possible. Finite automata not possible. Right? Means what I want to say is, why these many automatas? Reason is, with one automata you cannot do all. Right? One automata. So first start with finite automata for a small problem. Right? At anywhere fail, add one stack, that is called PDA. At anywhere PDA also fail, add one more stack, that is going to be Turing machine. So LBA is practically there, right? Yes, sorry, LBA is theoretically there, practically not there. LBA is there theoretically, but practically not there. Practically not there. So find that PDA plus one stack is called Turing machine. Not LBA, it is a Turing machine. LBA is theoretically there, practically not there. No need to think that much about LBA, because LBA is not there in the syllabus. No, nothing will come from LBA, because nothing is there to ask. LBA, Turing machine almost similar. One minor change, right? In the case of LBA, in terms of the space, you cannot take exponential like that. If the input size is n, right, the stack size whatever you take in the LBA, right, linear to input size. If the input size is n, the stack size what you take in the LBA is, right, so stack size is linear to input. Linear to input. Input n means stack size you should take either n or 2n, right, or 3n or 4n, something like that. You cannot take exponential. N is the input size. You cannot take stack size 2 power n. You cannot stack size is, right, n power 5, something like that. Linear to input only. So space problem little bit is there in the LBA. No, right, no condition, nothing. That is called Turing machine. So what I want to say is, finite automata you can solve some problems, right, when really comparison required. Finite automata fail, add one stack. So only one comparison at a time. Only one comparison at a time. Finite automata will work out. Suppose more than one comparison at a time. Turing machine required. Turing machine is the saturated machine. If anything possible by computer, Turing machine possible. If anything possible by human being, computer can do. No, humans are more superior. Human beings are more superior, right? If anything possible by computer, Turing machine also can do. Computer, Turing machine really same. Computer, Turing machine really same. Computer, mathematical model, is going to be Turing machine. Computer mathematical model is going to be Turing machine. So remember, some people are saying that computer is more powerful than human. No, in front of human computer nothing. In front of human computer is nothing. Right? Human can cry, computer cannot cry. When mama saying bye, right? I think son will cry or daughter will cry. Computer cannot cry. Computer don't have any emotions. Computer maximum what it can do, some logics. Some logic whatever human can do, computer can do, right? The only thing is automation purpose computer will be used. Computer cannot think anything, automation purpose only. Human will think and he will write one algorithm, computer will repeat that many times. So human is more powerful, computer is, I think computer also powerful, not like human. Remember one thing, whatever computer can do, Turing machine also can do. Both are same. Turing machine, computer, algorithm, all similar. I am repeating once again. Turing machine, algorithm, computer, all same. Whatever algorithm can do, Turing machine can do. Whatever Turing machine can do, computer can do. Right? So please careful. Ultimate machine is Turing machine. Ultimate machine is Turing machine. I hope this class will be useful to you. Right? Tomorrow first chapter of compiler design is starting. Lexical analyzer is starting tomorrow. Right? My suggestion is if you are really crazy about getting good GATE rank, if you really crazy about getting the good GATE rank, join without delay. If you really crazy about getting the good GATE rank, join tomorrow, right? Tomorrow class without missing. Evening programming is going on. Morning compiler designing is going on. 20% off is there. 20% off. Take the subscription now. Tomorrow you can attend. If you are not serious about GATE exam, you don't join. It's wasting time and resources. If you are serious, definitely we are there to help you from Unacademy. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for attending the class. Right? So see you tomorrow morning class. Thank you.